What we're dealing with here is a complete lack of respect for the law.
We don't just ride for Canada, freedom trucking for the world. We oppose oppressive powers for future, the boys and girls. All nations rise, stand strong, unified, stand strong, cause too much is on the line. Hold the line, hold the vibe, this autocratic divide we see through these unconstitutional lies. They forgot about our rights, they forgot about our might. Lest we forget, in the trenches, those who had to fight.
Rally them, rally them. Stand up. Rally them, rally them. Stand up. Rally them, rally them. We gotta go. Rally them, rally them.
See, I believe in human spirit, I believe we gonna steer it in the direction we need to see the obstacle and clear it. Ain't no need to really fear it, see the truth and really hear it. See the path is clearly laid out. The power of the people is greater than the people in power. This the final hour that we need to talk about, cause once our freedom is gone, it's really hard to get back. This mass psychosis gotta go, and I'm just stating facts.
Rally them, rally them. Stand up. Rally them, rally them. Rally them, rally them.
I have no choice to say.
Stand up. Rally them, rally
I
them.
have no choice to say.
We gotta go. Woo! Rally them, rally them.
To my physician and nursing colleagues who have seen the abuse and manipulation of medical science and data by governments and bureaucrats, and even by our fellow physicians and nurses, you may have been afraid to speak up and speak out until now. Fear no more. Science is on our side. History is on our side. The false narrative has collapsed. Freedom is on the march. Do I look like a white supremacist to you? Am I a brown white supremacist? In my 9 days in Ottawa, I exchanged long, genuine, affectionate hugs with truckers and protesters. We traveled the streets together. We fed the homeless together. We picked up garbage together. We shoveled sidewalks together. We guarded the tomb of the unknown soldier together and protected our monuments together. Mr. Trudeau, stop the hate speech now.